Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. I'm Sampriti from Odisha. As you know, a major train crash happened in Balesore, Bahangad, Bahangara, and the Coromandel Shaliar Express, and who was leading to Chennai. So there are. It was a major train crash because more than 260 people are dead and 900 people are injured. We are, it is very dangerous and horrible incident. Let's see what happened. And the rescue team has rescued most of the peoples, but other peoples are also there which are who are not rescued yet. Let's see.